Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2012 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.